Guys, welcome to today's Vehicle Visionary. Today we're going to take a quick exterior and interior look at this 2018 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. I borrowed this model from my friends at Land Rover of Shreveport because it has a couple of features on it that we haven't seen on some of the other models I've featured here on my YouTube channel. And then we're just going to go for a fun POV test drive. Just a quick look at what we have here. And of course, one thing that definitely caught my attention here, this model, you'll see as we open the hood in just a minute, has the 5-liter supercharged V8, putting out 518 horsepower. Of course, this is an all-wheel drive model, so it's definitely going to get down the road without a problem. And there are a couple of features on this model that we haven't seen in previous videos, and I'll show you one of them right here as I open the passenger side door. Deployable side steps, something that I really like. And take a quick look at the interior. Very nice interior, of course, as you would expect, a panoramic sunroof. One of the other features that we haven't looked at before here is the fact that here you go. You've got these screens right here on the headrests. So obviously quite a few nice options there. And this model does come with earphones, which are in this bag. There's one set right there at least. And just a quick look at the front seat. Nothing different from any of the other models we've looked at so far, but we won't do a full tour here, but just to kind of show you what's here. And I'll put all the numbers on the screen as far as safety features and different things like that. And we'll open the rear lift gate and I'll show you what you have as far as cargo and towing. By the way, I know I have shown this before, but you do have the indicators on the doors, on all 4 doors, that remind you to check and make sure there's nobody coming on a bicycle, on foot, or a car coming. And you literally open the door out into the path of whatever that object may be and do damage to the Land Rover and maybe even hurt the person. Definitely don't want to do those things. But here is the power rear lift gate opening up, and I will put, like I said, your numbers on the screen as far as cargo and all that kind of stuff goes. It's kind of hard to lift that floor up with one hand because I'm holding the camera with the other, but you do have a spare tire underneath there, and you can raise and or lower the rear portion of the vehicle right there if you wish to. And we'll hop up here into the front seat and open the hood so we can take a look at the supercharged 5-liter V8. Let's see if I can open this one-handed. Let's just see if I can do this. There we go, that's not too bad. Now you can't really see a whole lot, but it does say supercharger on that cover right there. So at least you know underneath all that plastic is a supercharger. 5-liter V8, 518 horsepower. I'll put all the numbers on the screen for you so you know what you have there. And of course, this model is for sale at Land Rover of Shreveport, and there's always a link in the description of the video for the vehicles that I feature. So in the event that this might be something you want to purchase, check out that link down there and you'll be able to get in touch with somebody at the dealership if you're interested. All right, guys, let's get started on our test drive here. Nobody is behind us. I hope you got a good earful of the exhaust note right there. I'll tell you what, that is impressive. The 518 horsepower V8 under this hood is just so much fun to drive or to use for your driving experience. But of course, that's not all there is to this. The interior is ultra comfortable, ultra plush, and no matter what mode you drive in, you've got multiple driving modes, of course. And like I say, I've covered that in all my other Land Rover Range Rover Sport videos to show you what's there. So I'm not going to cover that in great detail. I just really want to do just a driving experience here more than anything else, and just let you hear the engine. I mean, from about 70 miles an hour, that's the acceleration, and what the exhaust note sounds like. It is just fantastic. Such a deep sound. Just, you can hear all that horsepower coming right underneath you, right out of the rear of the vehicle. And all-wheel drive, of course, is going to give you a much better sensation of acceleration when you're driving one of these models like this, like any all-wheel drive vehicle. In fact, I took a friend of mine out in a 2019 ZR1 Corvette, 755 horsepower, but that's a rear-wheel drive car. I also took the same friend out for a ride in a Lamborghini Huracan, which is an all-wheel drive model, the LP610, making 610 horsepower. Make sure I have my numbers right, because I'm doing this off the top of my head. I wished I had not told him the difference in horsepower, because he actually believed the Lamborghini accelerated a lot harder, and he probably would have guessed that it was making far more horsepower than it really was when we did our test drive. But that's the whole point to me saying that, is that all-wheel drive makes a difference in how a vehicle pulls. If it's not an experience you've had before, you should really check that out. And I'll tell you what, this is one of my favorite vehicles to drive. Depending on how things go financially for the Vehicle Visionary YouTube channel, who knows? Maybe I'll have one as a daily driver at some point. There's quite a few options there. I don't know what I'll end up with as we grow and get to that point. But I'll tell you what, I sure enjoy these, and the ride quality is really good. And one thing that I have to say is so impressive about this model of the Range Rover is that the steering is really tight. It's almost as tight and responsive as a high-performance sports car. And basically that's what this is patterned after. It's just an SUV instead of a sports car, so quite an impressive vehicle to drive. And of course, you have a spectacular instrument cluster. You've got the screens here in the center, the upper and the lower screen. And again, I've covered all of that so many times, I don't want to cover the same thing too often in the same, at least in this video, as I have in other videos. And just cruising through the corner here, I can actually accelerate. I am accelerating through this corner, not super hard because I don't know how much tread wear there is on these tires. This is being a used model, but I accelerated up pretty good right there. A little bit of body roll, but ultimately everything reacted as it should to keep the vehicle as stable as possible. And I put a video out recently where one of my friends at Land Rover of Shreveport, who is just one of the foremost experts on these Land Rover models, talked about how the suspension works and how the system works, and how even though these vehicles are very capable of going off-road, you have modes you can change into for that purpose, they're also meant to be used, those capabilities as far as the suspension and the shocks and all that kind of stuff, and how quickly things adjust at an instant, literally, as you're moving. A lot of vehicles will begin to make those corrections, such as with dynamic suspension and all that kind of stuff, dynamic ride and magnetic ride, all that kind of stuff, at 4 miles an hour or above. With these Land Rovers, it's not at 4 miles an hour above, it's at any speed. And that's a wonderful thing to know. It really gives you a lot of peace of mind in any driving situation. So if you're driving when it's wet, when it's snowy or icy, just a little bit of a pull there, everything is going to work in your favor. And so if you buy one of these vehicles, it's really not just a matter of we're going to get around this guy real quick. And notice I did that when we had a broken line, guys, so nobody can say anything in the comments. But I wanted to get around slower moving traffic there. But that's the benefit of these vehicles. So anyway, I don't want to stay on the same subject too terribly long, but I'll tell you what, if you're looking for a fun, high-performance SUV, this is definitely something to consider. I really love driving these Range Rover Sports anytime I get a chance. And I saw this one on the used car lot at Land Rover of Shreveport and thought, man, let's take this one out. Now, one thing I'm planning on doing, I'm probably not going to be able to do it today with this video, but I'm going to hopefully do it in the near future, is starting to do some test drives at night so you can see the interior lighting on these vehicles and others that are similar, such as the Mercedes-Benz models and all that kind of stuff. Let me know what you think about that, guys. Would you like to see a lot of that? We'll do a couple of them and see how they do, see what everybody thinks, but I'm always interested in your feedback on these videos to see what you like, because if you like it, I'll do more of it. So, as always, I appreciate my friends at Land Rover of Shreveport for loaning me this model for the day, and all of you for being kind enough to take the time to watch. Make sure to let me know what you do want to see, and if you'd like to see me driving something at night. I know I have had some requests to show a comparison on some different models, as to what the lights look like at night. So we're gonna work on that, just gotta get the right time to do it. Anyway, guys, I appreciate your time and support of Vehicle Visionary, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.